Carl Edwards in the 99.
Half back to the 42 and 29. Watch the 20. Easy, 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 easy. Stay straight, stay straight.
Tell you, Kevin Harvick threaded the needle and really got through there. 11 down to the bottom. Let's ride along.
18 with you. Watch it. Hold the brake there. Hold the brake. Hold the brake. Let it roll down right there.
You'll come up right in front of Jimmy Johnson and breaks Jimmy's momentum, and when he does, they make contact.
Look inside, inside,
right here.
inside.
Here, Jimmy, get out the gas.
Inside. You're by yourself. You're by We're in it, fellas. Get the help here. Use the air off that 22. You'll drive right back by him here. There you go.
Boy,
keep coming, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good job, man.
Done. Now they have time to fix it.
Tony Stewart slides through.
2x2 the whole way. Stay running, stay high, stay in it, stay in it. We got turned in there, guys. We're tore up, terrible. Hold the brake, hold the brake. All right, let it roll left. You all right?
Brad Keselowski, the Sprint Cup Series champion. Casey Kane comes across, and Keselowski tries to miss it and gets into Kevin Harvick. Here's Steve Burns.
Single file in front of you, behind you.
I couldn't tell why.
27's the first car out of line in front of you. Up. Hold it, hold it, no caution. Caution is out. Caution is out.
It was right behind Stenhouse.
Still inside. Two still got the 27 winning tight. Keep coming here. Still inside. Taking a look outside. Real loose up there, real loose. He's spinning behind you.
Then made it around to pit road. See him way out the windshield of Danica Patrick's car. Her teammate Newman going in.
That's probably what caused her to jump. Let's see what happens here with her. You hear it? Bam. That person.
Get low if you can. Low if you can. Pack's coming outside of you.
The car take off up the track. We've seen it several times.
Slow up top, slow up top, slow up top, slow up top. Clear. Yellow's out.
31, Burton, he just never lets up. He runs right into the back of the 42. Then this was going on in front of him.
Yeah, this was that little mini.
Ended up catching that yellow car of Jeff Burton. A hit from Carl Edwards. The Burton's in the wall, and we're under caution. Ride with Jimmy Johnson.
Very, very nice job right there.
Darrell, I think it's two things. There's no grip up there.
I believe that 33 had a right front go down, guys. The thing just darted out into the wall. Yeah, there he goes. You can just see a dead right turn into the wall. That's the right front going down.
Caution of the day. From Denny Hamlin's bumper cam. Bump. Run.
Lightly, slightly, but not politely.
Not gonna be clear.
Shredded the left rear tire heavy.
And just if Mark gets any help or if that track bar just breaks. Did he get the wall? No, he got, there you go. There's your contact.
It's like the
Hold her down there, hold her down there. Hold her down there.
That's what we call a death rattle, when they just get that.
You're right there. Somebody's coming in. The 18's at the very top, still out there, the 11. 18's gonna get a run off. 18's out there. 18. Come on, stand on to get to the checker. Stand on to get to the checker. Come out there. Still there.
They used him up pretty good, tires and all.
Yeah, we didn't find any apparent contact.
Well, that.
10 half back, inside the 10. 55 behind her. Got a tank top here. Still inside. Inside. You got hit by the 55. Hang on, no caution. Get ready here.
Got 13th. Danica's on the outside, and evidently Harvick did not like the way that Vickers raced Danica, so when they got to the checker flag.
All right, man, dig hard back to pit road now. Dig hard back to pit road. No pressure behind you. Backstretch. We're in it.
Ahead.
You'll see Kyle, the car just snaps out from under him again like it did earlier in the race.
Stay to the bottom. All clear. No caution. Hang on outside. 3-1.
Happens that quickly.
3.
To the back of one car there. Riding with Danica. That's Timmy Hill.
Stay high. All the way to the top. All good. Caution's out.
And let's ride with Casey Mears.
In front of you. Okay, we'll get in it, boys. Slide in here. Probably got some flat spots for sure. I don't know if we make contact with the wall or not.
Biffle.
Slowing up high, hitting the fence out ahead of you, the 2. Slowing up high. Caution.
Get a little wheel spin and around she goes. You hear the wheels start to break loose and around it goes. Right there.
How?
Now the
Jim Martin.
The 5, the quarter, inside.
Ooh. Boy, Carl Edwards, he got through there. That was a...
Daryl, you're entering that corner at over 130 miles an hour. It doesn't take much
The work
for this.
1-5. Keep it up there. Hold it up there.
And Kevin Harvick. Right behind David Stremming.
Spin. Check up. Go low if you can. Go low if you can. We got to turn the outside wall there. Damn near everybody's wrecked.
Now you're on board Casey Kane.
Clear high.
she did too by not panicking.
Back to 3 wide bottom. Caution down. Go to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. All the way. Stop. Right here. Watch right in front of you. I can't see. Really.
Several times. Here's his onboard.
There you go. Come on. Yeah, we're in it hard here, guys. Okay, come to pit lane. Middle's backing up. It's 4 wide. Come on. Stay buckled. Roll if you can roll. There's nothing else coming from behind you. Talk to us. Go see middle. Nothing you could have done. Keep rolling if you can. Check up direction in front of you. Check up. Stay high. Come on. Easy. Down. Get down. Good, man. Coming. You made it through it there. Caution's out.
Let's listen. Listen.
Top of 3.
Did you hear him pedaling?
Standing here, boys.
You could hear him pedal it, and
Yes.
that little bit is what got Menard into the back of him.
You're riding with Greg Biffle.
Easy back up. Easy. Straight. High. Go high.
Nice job.
Let's ride with Danica.
Still 3 middle. Clear high.
with Stenhouse.
21 still in there. Watch those 3 white cats ahead of you here. Watch it here.
You're riding with Johnson.
Hold on to that, baby. Hold on to it.
Spotter Earl Barbin. And as we've seen many times over his career.
Get a better look at this, see what happens here. You see the car goes in and it just does a little wiggle, gets up the track and that loose stuff, and around it goes.
You're on board Denny Hamlin.
You can hear that tire pop, 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 pop.
Clint Boyer's view of this.
Joey Logano won this race a year ago. He had a front row seat for that spin a moment ago.
Still good behind you. Get down, get down, get down. Good job.
Trevor Bayne.
It looked like Trevor got into the back of Ambrose, and it's just kind of a chain reaction there.
In turn 10, he pulls out. He's going to get past the 22.
Wheel hop.
But listen to it. Listen to that.
That's wheel hopping.
That is what Kyle Busch is in the right place. He turns in, and you just get in over your limit.
Which a lot of guys have no problem with. Forward bite was good. Got some wheel hop here.
Wheel hop.
And this is, you see a lot of this. You can't. The only way you can get out of a wheel hop.
On board with Joey Logano. This is where Rudiman went off track.
Yeah, Rudiman had to check up though. Yeah. I don't think Joey was obviously.
It's been a trouble spot all weekend. This would not have our own making.
Yeah.
On board with Tony Stewart.
Oh,
there it is.
And
Yes.
Tony wheel hop as Denny Hamlin was coming, across him.
Yeah.
Here's the view of Joey Logano.
You're good. Stay. Watch it start to get to the right. Come on, dig, dig, dig. Keep digging. 27 still there. Clear everywhere. Good.
Yeah, he started sliding up the racetrack. He looked like he was pushing a little bit, and he was losing grip.
View from Kurt Busch's onboard camera.
Spin in front of you. Spin in front of you. Spin in front of you.
Good job.
The start-finish line. Caution out for the 4th time in Kentucky.
And watch from this angle. Yeah.
Lost 3 or 4 spots trying to, not run into the 48 car.
Yeah. But a great job by Joey just staying off of him and giving